Lockhart v. United States features the Supreme Court justices explaining how to use the rule of the last antecedent to parse lists of nouns followed by limiting phrases or clauses. A federal statute aimed at stopping child pornography set a mandatory minimum 10-year sentence for defendants who had prior convictions under state law, quote, relating to aggravated sexual abuse, or abusive sexual conduct involving a minor or ward, unquote. Avondale Lockhart pleaded guilty to possessing child pornography. 11 years earlier, Lockhart had been convicted of sexual abuse in the first degree under New York state law. This offense had involved Lockhart's 53-year-old girlfriend. Because Lockhart had a prior conviction for sexual abuse, his pre-sentence report concluded that he was subject to the child pornography statute's mandatory minimum sentence. Lockhart protested that this was incorrect. He argued that the statute's phrase involving a minor or ward applied to all three crimes on the list. His crime of sexual abuse involving another adult and not a minor or ward therefore didn't fall within the offenses covered by the child pornography statute. The district court rejected this argument and applied the mandatory minimum sentence. The Second Circuit affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.